Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll cover some of the key features in ZKart, an online cart builder with which you can create product and checkout pages and sales funnels. There are too many features to cover, so I'm going to just focus on the key features. During the launch period, which ends June 18, 2020, you can get ZKart at a one-time price, but after launch, it will be on a subscription basis. So let's dive into the key features. You can create profitable online carts to sell physical and digital products. You can create beautiful product pages from scratch or use professionally designed done-for-you templates. You can set up high-converting sales funnels with upsells and downsells. You can create and fully customize your product checkout pages, as well as add one-click upsells and bump offers. You can integrate multiple payment gateways and app integrations. You can follow up with cart abandonment for customers who add products and leave without checking out. You can manage taxes and customer invoices within the platform. ZKart also has a built-in affiliate management system, allowing you to promote your products via affiliate marketing. Most of the features I covered in this video are part of the ZKart front-end commercial version, but some of the features are part of the ZKart Gold upgrade, which includes all the features. If you purchase ZKart during the launch period, you'll also get these bonuses: Xfunnels Reloaded Personal License, which is a drag-and-drop webpage and funnel builder; HelpZippy Commercial License, which is an online customer support and ticket system; and 20+ WordPress plugins for your online business websites. There is so much more to ZKart, and you can check the sales page to learn more. You'll find an in-depth demo video and a comparison chart with Sam Cart and Thrivecart. Check the link in the description section, and you can try ZKart risk-free for 14 days. I will also be creating a ZKart review and tutorials, and if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.